Welcome to our quick dive into the magic of compound interest. What is it? Compound interest is essentially earning interest on your interest. Imagine planting a money tree. The more you water it, the bigger it grows, producing more seeds to plant even more trees. With compound interest, your initial money, or principal, earns interest. Then that interest, with the principal, earns even more interest. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose you invest $100 at a 10% annual interest rate. After 1 year, you earn $10, so you have a total of $110. Here's where compounding kicks in. The next year, you're not just earning interest on your original $100, but also on that extra $10. So, instead of earning another $10, you earn $11. Every year, your pot grows a little faster. The more time you give it, the more it accelerates. This effect can snowball into a substantial sum over many years, like a small snowball growing into an avalanche as it rolls downhill. The key ingredients are time and a reinvestment of your earnings. The longer you leave your investment untouched, the more dramatic the effect. Compound interest benefits dramatically from both time and frequency. The more frequent the compounding periods, like monthly instead of yearly, the better your gains. This is because interest is calculated and added to the principal at more frequent intervals. However, there's one caveat. Compound interest can work against you too. It applies to loans and debts, meaning you owe more over time as interest accumulates. So while it can build wealth, mismanaged, it can also create debt. In a nutshell, compound interest is a powerful tool for growing wealth. It's the principle behind retirement accounts and investment growth, illustrating perfectly why you should start investing early. Remember, time is your best friend here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick financial insights.